Nicole as Mrs. Claus. Welcome to my Advent Calendar series. Today is December 8th. Hello! For today's craft, I'm using lightly frosted Christmas balls. Let me take them out for you. Because we are not filling the Christmas ball, we are putting stuff on the outside. Please ignore the dogs in the background, they're getting all riled up. This is some washi tape. I've got some Christmas colors, got some smaller ones here. So we're going to use this tape and decorate the outside of our Christmas balls. We don't even have to take this off. Actually, you know what? Well, we'll see if we have to take it off. Now, how do I want to start this? I think I want to start with red. Okay, I will take this off actually now, because I want to go all the way up with the tape so it's hiding under the cap. I hope you can see this. Going like this. Come all the way around the ball. Trying to be as straight as possible. But then again, it is a craft. And a craft is what you want it to be. And there are no mistakes. Just happy little accidents. Who knows where that's from. Okay, so I've got some red. I think I'm going to take a wide green one next. Look at that one. Here we go. Put that right here. And then cut it up here. Look at that. That's already pretty nice, but I do want something smaller going in between, and I'm thinking I'm taking this strip that has a little bit of gold in it, you see? And it's tiny, and I wanted something smaller in between. Right here in the middle. And just go down between these, cross on the bottom, and go all the way up. And then I'll do this also going the other way. So here we go. It's actually not that easy doing this with a big camera stand between me and the craft. So forgive me if I slip out of view every now and then. Oops, that one is crooked at the end. Can't have it crooked. There we go. Now let's see what that looks like when we put the tip back on. Oh, it's gorgeous. I really, really, really like this. For the next one, I want to try something different. I haven't used this one yet, so I'm going to start this way, and I'm going to try to wrap my way down. Let's see what that looks like. Finding the beginning, I think I got it. Here it is. So, now I want to start like this. See, oh, that's a little bit too steep. I just wanted to gently wrap down. Not sure that was a good idea now that I'm thinking about it. Maybe I need to just go this way. Oh yeah, this works. And then that is not as easy as I thought it would be. I'm just gonna continue with wrapping because, you know, we don't work with a straight surface here. That's the problem. I should have... Okay, I'm not happy. I'm sorry. I'm not happy with that. I must do something else. I'm gonna go in a straight line and just see where it gets me. I'm going to let the ribbon tell me where it wants to go next. Okay, it did connect on this side. I will go ahead and cut that off. Then I will go willy-nilly the other way. We'll do it this way. And there it is. Okay. Then I will give it it's sideways like that. What else could I do with that? I'm gonna go with a different color that away. That's what I want to do. And I do want, actually I want the red again. I'll take the red. Now that I've done this already, I'm thinking I should have maybe even crossed one of them over after. Well, let's see. Let's just go in a circle here. Okay. It's not quite as straight as I thought it was going to be, but I found the other end. I connected it. And now I'm just going to take another random color and go another way. Should we take this green, or I don't want to do a gold on this one. I have green and reds. Which ones should I do? I think I'm gonna go with just a plain green on this one. Let's see. Let me put that down while I'm finding the beginning here. Where is it? It's not as easy as it looks. Oh, I found it. I found it. I found it. Okay. And oops, for this one, I want to go from here, right here, to the other side, like that. Now, you know what? I'm happy with this one. Yes, I like it. It is asymmetrical, which is actually pretty hard for me to do because I have a little bit of OCD. Like, see how this one is all nice and straight and this one is like wonky, but it's very nice. What else could we do on the next one? I think on the next one I'm gonna have a lot of tiny ones going across down this way, and then a big fat one going across this way, almost like a Santa belly. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna start with all the little ones. I haven't used that one yet, so I'm gonna go with this one. Let me put that down for now. Okay, I found the beginning. Oops, I need to take the top off. There we go. There's a scratch in here. I'm gonna put a tape right on top of the scratch. So we're going over and up and cut. Whoops. Then I'm using the white one. Let me set that down while I look for the beginning. Ah, found it. Found it. We'll start over this way and go down and over and back. Oops, back up. Beautiful. Then I want to take the gold and go in between. I found it. Go this way and over and up. And one more this way. Down, over, and up. Okay, so now we have these. Now I want a big belly band. And for that one, since it's a red and white green theme, I want to just go with the red one. I'm going to cross it right here. Oops, already found the other end. Oh, look at that. That's really pretty. I like it, and the possibilities are endless. You could even use stickers if you wanted to. So now, oops, let me stick that back in here, which is not super easy. And here we go. Those are the 3 we made. I like them. I'm very happy with the outcome. I hope you get a chance to try it out too.